How to fix the you need the official WhatsApp to login problem. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem. So there are a few reasons why this problem is shown in your WhatsApp. So the reason might be the third party or modified apps, or it can also be the account suspensions or the outdated version. Now how do you solve it is, very first of all go on the settings of your phone. So just search for the option of apps right here. After you find the default apps option, on the top search bar, search for WhatsApp. Open it, and now what you need to do is tap on the storage option. And now you should delete all the data and all the cache so that the WhatsApp is not disturbed by any other third parties and the files that are disturbing WhatsApp. After doing this, you need to delete the WhatsApp account from your device. Just tap on the remove option and then it is uninstalled just like that. Now go on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, tap for WhatsApp and install it again. And after installing, you need to tap your phone number and then you need to tap your ID and just log into your WhatsApp account by using your phone number. After logging it, this might solve your problem now. But if it does not, then what you can do is go on the help section from WhatsApp. You can simply go on WhatsApp and on the top right side, you will see 3 vertical lines. Go there and tap on the help center and state your problem on there and send it to WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp will give you feedback after a few days and this might solve your problem. Otherwise, the problem can be because of the low storage of your phone. Do check that as well. So yes, this might solve your problem. Do try it and see if it works or not. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.